How to learn HTML in Sololearn. Ready to build web pages? Learning HTML is the perfect place to start. First, open the Sololearn app on your device and tap the Learn tab at the bottom of the screen. Find HTML in the list and tap to start the course. Work through lessons covering tags, elements, and how pages are structured. Take quizzes after each lesson to reinforce what you have learned. Use the code playground to practice writing and editing your own HTML code. Regular practice helps you get comfortable creating web pages from scratch. Pair your HTML learning with CSS to make your sites both structured and visually appealing. What was your first HTML project? Share it with us in the comments below. And that's how you can start learning HTML in Sololearn. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.